Welcome to the Alpha Motion Lab. In this video, we'll break down how an injection die casting machine works, step by step, part by part. Whether you're a student or a professional, this visual guide will make it easy to understand. A die casting machine is used to shape molten metal into precise solid parts by injecting it under high pressure into a mold. It's commonly used in automotive, electronics, and industrial applications. Furnace. The furnace is where raw metal is heated until it becomes molten. It maintains a high temperature to keep the metal in liquid form for casting. Liquid material. The liquid material is molten metal like aluminum, zinc, or magnesium. It flows from the furnace into the injection cylinder. Injection cylinder. The injection cylinder pushes the molten metal into the mold with high force using a hydraulic plunger. Fixed die half. The fixed die half is one side of the mold that stays stationary during casting. It's attached to the fixed plate. Moving die half. The moving die half is the opposite part of the mold. It opens and closes to allow product removal. Ejector pins. Ejector pins push the solidified part out of the mold once casting is complete. Mold. The mold is the cavity formed by the fixed and moving die halves. It defines the final shape of the product. Tie bars. Tie bars hold the fixed and moving plates in alignment. They provide structural support to the machine. Machine closing cylinder. The machine closing cylinder closes the mold tightly before injection and opens it after casting is done. As the process begins, the two halves of the die, also known as the mold, close tightly under high pressure to form a sealed cavity. Molten metal is then injected into the die cavity at high speed and pressure, using a plunger. This ensures the metal fills every part of the mold quickly and precisely. Once filled, the metal is allowed to cool and solidify inside the die. This cooling time depends on the part size and material. After solidification, the die halves open and ejector pins push the finished part out of the die. The die then closes again, ready for the next cycle, making die casting ideal for mass production with high repeatability. Die casting offers excellent dimensional accuracy, smooth surface finishes, and high production rates. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more engineering animations and tutorials. See you in the next video.